All right, what's going on, y'all? So I'm back with another trade recap for the day. Trade I took on the day. I made around 700 something. I forgot what the exact number was, but let's get into it. So coming into the day, um, honestly, I was a little more bullish coming into the day. I took a sell, but I was expecting longs because I still wanted to see a little bit of retracement to the upside, but we didn't get that, which is fine, right? So coming in the day, 4 hour. I'm just looking for PD arrays that are being respected and disrespected. So to the left, we have all of these bullish fair value gaps are being disrespected. So it's telling me price probably still wants to go lower today. So that being said, I was a little neutral on the 4 hour. Coming down to the 1 hour, there wasn't really much for me to see. There wasn't really much PD arrays. There's like no fair value gaps to the downside at all here. So I jumped down to the 15 minute, right? And on the 15 minute, what did we get? Let me go back to where I took my trade at. So on the 15 minute, this is so this is before market opens, right? I saw it before market opens. I usually go on the charts around 8:45. Market opens at 9:30, so I have time to get my stuff I need ready for the day, right? So in the 15 minute, I saw this 15 minute bearish fair value gap up here, and I'll mark it out in ES as well. It's right there, right? So we get this 15 minute fair value gap. So what I want to see is price. I want price to come up like this. I want price to come up, tag into it, and then come right down to this level right here, right? So this is where I want price to come after we tag this fair value gap, right? So now I just wait for market to open. I'll skip ahead to market open. Let me just go back and I'll do it in the 5 minute so you can see it there, or 1 minute actually. So now the market, I'm just waiting for the market to open, patiently waiting, right? So what do we get? At market open, we dump, right? Market comes down 9:30, we straight dump, right? But I'm still being patient. I still want to see why I said play out. So then what happens? We finally come up, we tag into this bearish 15 minute bearish fair value gap, right? So we have that, and if you look on ES did not come up and tag this, so that is an SMT. That's the first thing I'm looking for in my trade, right? After we hit this gap, I'm looking for SMT. So we have SMT somewhere around here. I don't really feel like marking it out exactly. Just know there's SMT up here because NQ tapped this fair value gap. ES did not. So it's bearish SMT. So now price is telling me we're probably going to go a little lower before we go higher, right? So then what am I looking for? I mark out this 1 minute bullish fair value gap. I want to see that get ran through, right? And then I want to see us close below this change of state. I want to see a change of state of delivery to the downside. So we close right below here. That is our change of state, and then I can enter the trade. So now, again, I just wait patiently. Wait. All right. Still waiting. Just wait patiently. Boom. Right here. So this is the candle, right? So usually you would want to just enter right when this closes, but for me, you guys know how I am with my stops, right? So this is way too big of a stop for me. This is a 46-point stop. I'm not doing that, right? So what I did, I waited for us to come back up into this change of state and tag into that for me to take my trade. So what did we do here? We came up and tagged into it, right? So from here, this is where I sold. Stop at the high. And that gives me a 30 point stop loss, right? And where did I take profit go? Down here, right at this low. For a 2RR, this is a perfect because where I want price to go lines up with the 2RR. So for me, this is a perfect trade, right? And I took this trade on micros again because it's towards the end of the week and I've already made a good amount of money for the week, so I'm not really interested in wasting none of that, giving any of that back, right? So once I got my inverted fair value gap, I got my change of state of delivery, right? I could have entered here, right? But I wanted to wait. I waited for us to come back up here, which we did, and it gave me an even better entry, right? Because if I entered down here, I would have came down here, right? This is where I would have entered, and I wouldn't have really made that much money. But since I entered up here, I waited patiently, entered up here, got the perfect entry, right? So I sold, I think it was 6 micros. Let me just, yeah, I think it was 6 micros. Yep, cool. So this was my trade, right? Right when we tagged back into this change in state of delivery, I pressed sell. I sold 6 micros, and I waited for us patiently. I waited patiently for us to just dump right down. And since this was like right when the market opened, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12 minutes after market opens. I'm still expecting price to deliver fast. So if I'm in the right trade, we're gonna deliver fast from here, right? So now I'm just waiting patiently. Next candle, what do we get? Still waiting patiently. I'm gonna drag this out for you guys, right? And what happens? Literally 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes of me being in this trade. 4 minutes. We come and take profit, right? Such an easy trade. I'm telling you guys, this model is it's the easiest model I've ever used. This model has completely changed my trading. Completely changed it. Like this is the A plus setup, beautiful fucking setup. There's really not much else to talk about. Like it's a super simple model. You wait for us to tag into a PD array. We get SMT, a inverted fair value gap, and it changes their deliveries or entry. It's really that fucking easy. That's the trade for the day. I'm also going to be doing a weekly recap of all the trades I took today, what I thought about price action, all that. And yeah, that's a trade for the day. I hope you all enjoyed that. I hope this video helped you guys out. Any questions, you guys know what to do. Just let me know, and I'll answer any questions y'all got. Thank you for watching. Let me know.